Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to use Wix Forms, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a professional-looking contact form on your Wix website, link it to a button, and make it ready for your visitors to use. Whether you're building a portfolio, a small business site, or anything in between, these skills are essential, and I'm here to make it simple. Let's dive right in. First, we'll want to add a dedicated page for our forms. This keeps your site organized and makes it easy for visitors to find your contact or sign-up section. So, inside your Wix dashboard, look for the Pages menu on the left. Go ahead and click that, then select Add New Page. Now, give your page a name you'll recognize. Something straightforward like Forms. Naming is important, especially if you plan to have multiple pages or forms, since clarity makes management so much easier down the road. Once that's done, your new page will be added to your site's navigation automatically. Next up, it's time to actually put a form on that page. At the top or side of your Wix editor, you'll see the Add Element button. Click on that. In the search bar that appears, type in Forms. Wix does a great job of offering a variety of form templates, contact forms, subscriptions, feedback, and more. If you're just getting started, don't overwhelm yourself. Pick the contact form template for this demo. But just so you know, you can always build one entirely from scratch later if you need very specific fields or want a totally custom look. Once you've clicked on a contact form, drag it onto your page where you like. Now, let's talk about editing your form. You'll see all the fields laid out. For example, name, email, message, maybe even a phone number. If you want to add or remove fields or change the order, Wix's form editor makes this super intuitive. Why customize? Well, imagine your business only needs an email and a message, not a phone number. That's less friction for your visitors and higher chances they'll actually reach out. Take a moment here to preview how your form will look. There's a preview button for this, and it really helps to see it from your user's perspective. Before we publish, don't forget the settings and submission options. This is where you control things like what happens after someone sends in the form. Maybe you want to display a thank you message or redirect to another page. Here, you can also update where submissions go, perhaps directly to your email, or stored in your Wix dashboard for easy tracking. Take a few moments exploring these options. A well-set-up form is the difference between connecting with your visitors or missing important messages. Once you're happy with everything, click Save. This makes sure all your changes are locked in. Now let's make it easy for people to get to this form from your home page. Go back to your home page in the Wix editor. Again, hit Add Element, but this time look for buttons. Add a button somewhere visible. Think how your user will navigate and put it where it feels natural, maybe below your header or alongside your intro. Click the button and select the link option, then choose Page and point it to the Forms page you just made. Hit Done, and you're all set. Linking like this is great for guiding visitors without making them search your menus. Finally, click Preview to see all your changes in action. Take a minute to test the button and the form. Make sure everything's flowing smoothly. If something looks off, don't worry. Just jump back and tweak it. And that's it. You've just added and customized a form, set up the submission settings, and linked it from your homepage, all within Wix. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you have any questions or if there's another Wix feature you'd like broken down. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck building your site.